Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to register your organization on Kuja. By creating an organization account, you can showcase your work, connect with partners, and access opportunities through the Kuja platform. Let's get started. From the Kuja homepage, click Register as an organization to begin creating your account. You will be prompted with three options. Please select the one that suits your organization. On this instance, we shall choose I am a local organization. Enter your organization's approved email address. Kuja will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Open your email, copy the code, and return to the registration page to verify your account. After verification, complete your organization's profile by selecting the appropriate information from the available options. Fill in each required field carefully to ensure your profile is accurate and complete. Depending on your organization, you'll be asked to provide information such as your sector of work and location. Next, complete your organization's profile by adding your mission statement. This helps others understand your organization's purpose and the impact you aim to create. Then, select the sustainable development goals that best align with your work. You can choose one or more goals that reflect your organization's areas of focus. Finally, select your organization's focus areas from the available options. Before submitting your registration, confirm that you are authorized to represent your organization, then review and agree to Kuja's terms of service, privacy policy, and code of conduct. Congratulations! Your organization has now been fully registered on Kuja.